Automotive education is changing fast. Artificial intelligence is becoming a powerful tool for instructors everywhere. Imagine generating clean, professional lab sheets in just seconds, freeing up more of your time for teaching, not paperwork. With AI, you can strengthen lessons in diagnostics, maintenance, and even electric vehicle systems. In our hands-on workshop, you'll learn how to write effective prompts and create advanced training materials right in class. From assessments and rubrics to differentiated instruction, AI can help streamline your entire workflow. We'll also cover ethics, accuracy, and how to guide students in responsible AI use. You'll leave with templates, tools, and the confidence to bring AI into your automotive classroom. Join us and bring the future of automotive education to your students.